Hi, it's Glitter Girl from Meyer Imports, and I'm facing a dilemma. My niece and nephew are on their way for a Halloween celebration, and I haven't prepared at all. But it's a good thing I have my products from Meyer Imports, and I might just be able to throw something together. So let's see. This grass is fantastic. This is the best fake grass you're going to find. And we're going to make a little pumpkin patch here. I hope. Some miniature hay bales. So we got some pumpkins, jack-o'-lanterns. We have some black cats to add a perfect touch of bad luck for Halloween. And these pumpkins are maybe looking a little too happy, so let's add some even more spookiness with a skull and a witch, Halloween's favorite mascot. And every witch needs her cauldron, and every cauldron needs a fire underneath. And, oh, it's our first trick-or-treater. Oh, look, a little pumpkin patch. How wonderful. Hey, Sally, wait up for me. Wow, what a cool pumpkin patch. Ooh, come here, little boy. Try my stew. Well, look at that. A 30-second Halloween display. You can buy everything here and more on Meyer Imports' website. The link is in our bio.